Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do the Popcorn Stripes Stitch pattern. With this pattern, you're going to need to know how to do a treble crochet and a double crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on those stitches. So to get started, you want to chain multiples of 6 plus 5. Once you have your chains, you're going to start off by chaining 2. And in the third chain from the hook, you're going to work your first treble crochet, followed by treble crocheting in the first 4 stitches. The next 4 stitches, my apologies. Next, we will start the repeat for this pattern. So it'll be a 5 treble crochet cluster. So what that ends up meaning is when you yarn over and pull through your loops, you'll pull through only 2 and not 3. You'll leave your third loop on your crochet hook until you have 6 loops total, and then you'll pull through all 6 loops. And that is how you make a 5 treble crochet cluster. Then we will finish off by working 5 treble crochets in the next 5 stitches. So the repeat for row 1 will start with the 5 treble crochet clusters and then 5 treble crochets in the next 5 stitches. Next, we will turn our work. We will chain 1 and we will double crochet in each stitch all the way to the end of the row. Now you may have noticed from me twisting and showing the work that your popcorn stitch or your cluster is going to only be on one side of your work. So for this pattern, this is only one-sided. It is not reversible, sadly. So row 3, we are going to start off by chaining 3, and we're going to start this row by working 5 treble crochets in the next 5 stitches. The repeat for this pattern will be just like row 1, to where you start off with your 5 treble crochet cluster and then work 5 treble crochets. So here we are going to do our 5 treble crochet cluster. So again, remember, it's a insert your hook, yarn over 1, pull through 1, pull through 2. And you keep doing that until you have 6 loops on your crochet hook. And then you'll pull through all 6 loops. And if you don't get it the first time, it's quite alright. It does take some practice. Just enjoy what you're doing. And then we'll finish off by working 5 treble crochets in the next 5 stitches. Now the repeat for this pattern is going to be rows 2 and 3. And there you have it. That is how you do the Popcorn Stripes Crochet Stitch pattern. I really love how this ends up looking. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.